Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying the essentials: internet, a modern browser, and an account on the online compiler. Once logged in, pick the Python version you need and open a new project or session. Make sure your Files pane is visible and create a new file named main. Py. This makes execution predictable. You do this now so you can immediately run code. If you have libraries needed, note them now. Otherwise, proceed to paste or type your first short script to confirm the environment. You code with intention. Write a simple function, save, and run it. Use the Run button or integrated terminal to execute main. Py and inspect the output pane for results and errors. Once done, iterate. Add prints, test edge cases, and use breakpoints or logging if available. If your script needs packages, install them with the platform's package manager or pip in the terminal, then rerun. Make sure to commit or export files if the session will expire, so you do not lose work. You finish by exporting or downloading your project and running one final test to ensure everything works. Once done, review any error messages carefully. Read the line number, inspect variables, and rerun after each fix. If things still fail, clear the session state by restarting the environment or opening a fresh session. Make sure your selected Python version and installed packages match. A key tip: if unexpected behavior persists, restart the browser or clear cache to resolve stale state issues before you retry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.